Hello, I'm Navin Jinjria, an aspiring data analyst. Today I will walk you through one of my recent project completed, where I analyzed the business performance of Atelic Telecom, a leading telecom industry provider. This project demonstrates my ability to extract the meaningful insights from complex datasets and provide a data-driven recommendations. This recommendation help Atelic Telecom business or data business decisions. This project is part of the Code Basic Resume Project Challenge. This analysis focus on comparing a before and after 5G launched a May launched a 5G plans in May 2022. Let me tell about Atlic Telecom. Atlic is a India telecom industry in India. They provide a high speed internet plans. They work in 15 major Indian cities. They offer a 4G and 5G internet plans. India telecom industry is a very competitive because many companies launched a 5G plans at the same time in 2022. Now here the business problem. Atlic launched a 5G service in May 2022. The management teams are expected a growth, but something unexpected happened. Firstly, revenue growth is decreasing and active users drop after launch of 5G plans. The management needs to understand what went wrong and how to fix it. Most importantly, what the actionable steps take to recover active user base and revenue growth. That's where I come in as data analyst to solve this problem. I set four clear goals of this project. Firstly, compare performance before and after 5G launch and measure impact on active users and revenue. And third, analyze city-wise and plan-wise trends and that delivery actionable insights from growth recovery. And these growth recovery strategies provide telecom, recover active users and revenue growth. Let's explain my approach. Data source files in Excel, including dim cities, dim plant, dim date, and fact tables. And I'm using a tool users Power BI. Power BI for tool user for visualizations. And in Power BI built-in feature Power Query. Power Query is a ETL tool and it is provide a service data cleaning and transformation helping in this data. And in this project, I'm data coverage period from Jan to September 2022. I am skipped the May 2022 because it is a launching period time. Is a data modeling. I am using a star schema modeling method. In this star schema modeling method, fact tables in centers and around are dim tables connected to each other. This is a best analysis for a modeling method. Let's jump to the live Power BI dashboard. This is the home of Atelic Telecom Analysis project. I do two types of analysis. First is a statutory and user analysis, and second is plan and market share analysis. In this project, all values are in Indian rupees and billions. Then click on the city and user analysis. In this dashboard, you have filters and provide filters according to city-wise analysis, and I make some KPIs measures and checking our management teams according to cities. Which cities are generate how much revenue, average revenue, and revenue change percentage by 0.5%. In this project, I am using a short forms and providing a short forms of full forms in the bottom lines. Like AUB 5G means full form active user before 5G. 84 million active user before 5G and active user after 5G 77 million. And its change, active user change percentage minus 8.3%. Means active user loss after launch of 5G and ARP actually revenue per user. And this is the average revenue per user and ARP pure change percentage means average revenue per user 11% active before 5G and after 5G. And this is a four visuals. First visual revenue change percentage by cities. This cities is telling how much revenue generate after 5G. A city. Lucknow generate a 1.8% after launch 5G revenue change. And active user change percentage by cities. This chart telling how much active user percentage change in after a launch of 5G. And this is a ARP percentage change by cities. This chart telling how much change in after launch of 5G ARP change. according to cities. And this is a trend by month. This chart telling which how much revenue generate which month before 5G and after 5G. And then click to open a market share analysis. In this dashboard, I'm provide a icon clear all slicers, and this click this icon and clear all slicers, and I provide a city filters, month filters, and plant filters pre and post 5G. This dashboard specially for executive members, management teams, and top leaders. And this is a button top 5 plans and bottom 5 plans, top 5 cities and bottom 5 cities. Top 5 plans telling which 5 plans generate most revenue, and bottom 5 plans which five bottom plans generate less revenue, and top 5 cities which 5 cities generate most revenue, and bottom 5 cities which 5 cities is generate less revenue. This is a executive management teams need to insights for helping making better strategies. And this is a plan revenue by plan visuals. I'm clicking this. I make a tulip. This tulip is telling I am clicking P1 recharge. This tulip telling a full form plan description. P1 plan description is a smart recharge pack. Name its plan. And this telling this is a executive plan, new plan, or discontinued plan. This is a P1 is a executing plan continued after 5G, and telling a plan revenue before 5G and plan revenue after 5G. P1 plan revenue is 4 billion, and it is a telling a trend of according to month. And this is a second visual of a market share percentage, telling which position Atlic in market and how much Atlic market share generate out of total market share. This is a light color of Atlic Telecom Industries. And this is a two visuals, key metrics by cities and revenue active user change by percentage. This visual is a combining of a city and user analysis. In this measure a combining revenue change percentage and active user change percentage and ARP change percentage and Atlic market share, which contributes which how much contribution Atlic market share in which cities. Let's take to the strategy parts. I make some strategies for our management teams. Then these strategies help to recover our active users and revenue growth. This is the important part, turning data into strategy. I divided 15 major Indian cities in 4 categories based on their performance. Category 1, which cities show a pattern active user decline, revenue decline, and ARP decline, and take action in these cities. Atlic Telecom Industries launch entry-level plans and plus provide special offers to their customers. And category 2, which cities saw a pattern active users increase, revenue decrease, and active revenue per user decline, and take action data adds on plans, speed-based pricing, and provide a free SIM distribute plus and 1 month recharge free. These strategies help to recover to revenue growth and increasing active users. And this in which cities category 3 under pattern show ARPU active revenue per user increase, active users decline, and revenue decline, and take action. Atlic Telecom Industry is provide affordable starter plans, trial offers, and entry pricings. And category 4, best performing cities. These cities saw patterns active users increase, revenue increasing, and active revenue per user increasing. It is a Lucknow city. Take action premium push plans and launch loyalty programs in these cities and launch in Lucknow loyalty programs. These strategies help Atlic Telecom Industries recover active users and revenue growth. This project was 3 things. First, I can handle a complete project start to end. Second, I understand business, not just numbers. Third, I can simply explain complex data. And this project a kind of work so I can do for your company as a data analyst. Thank you for watching and thank you for Code Basics team.